Hi everyone, this is Peter Tusick, brand ambassador of Blindness Products for Humanware, and I'm coming at you with another snapshot tutorial video. This one is going to be on one-handed mode, which we have introduced to the BrailleNote Touch Plus with our latest version of Keysoft. One-handed mode, as it sounds, is designed for somebody who may not have the full use of both hands, so we want everyone to be able to use our devices equally, and we've implemented this on the Touch Plus as it was on the previous Touch. So we've brought it forward, and I want to demonstrate how to use one-handed mode. Wherever we are, when we want to turn one-handed mode on, currently I'm on the main menu. When I want to enable one-handed mode, I will press and hold Enter, so my right pinky or .8, Enter, with the Action button. The Action button is located along the right-facing edge of your BrailleNote Touch Plus. You'll feel that it has a little dot on it. It's kind of a rectangular shaped button that is, if you're coming toward yourself from the back of the unit toward yourself along the right edge, you will feel the microphone input, the headphone input, and then the action button. So I'm going to press and hold Enter with the action button to turn one-handed mode on. You're going to want to hold this down for about 4 or 5 seconds. So I'm going to do that now.
One-handed mode activated. While holding down Enter, press and hold the action button to deactivate.
And we hear that we will do the same thing to deactivate one-handed mode. So again, it allows us to activate and deactivate. It's the same command. So when if I was another user and I wanted to use the device and get it out of one-handed mode, I could certainly press and hold the action button with Enter. This will stay in one-handed mode if I lock the unit, if I restart the unit, and I will hear that it is in one-handed mode each time I turn the unit on or wake the unit up. So I'm reminded, just in case I don't want it to be, or I'm trying to push keys and they're not working and I'm thinking, what is happening? You will be reminded that one-handed mode is on. Now, once it's enabled, in order to use it, it's very straightforward. Basically, I press the combination of dots that I'd like to activate, and then I end with the space bar. So for instance, I'm on the main menu, and I want to move my focus to the word processor. So I would type the letter W. Now, here, when I type W, I can press the Braille dots, 2, 4, 5, 6, and then press the space bar to input that W. You do not have to press them all one by one. So you could press dot 2, and then dot 4, and then dots 5 and 6 together, and then press space, which is exactly what I will do. I'm pressing space now.
Word processor.
And we
Keyword.
hear that it moves my focus to the word processor. You could absolutely push those dots one by one. There is no sequential order. As long as you get all the dots you'd like to enter, and then you will end with your spacebar. So to check the time, I would press T as in time, T with enter. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to press dots 2, 3, and then dots 4, 5, and enter all at the same time. And then again, end with the spacebar to input that command.
11:07 a.m.
It is 11:07 a.m. where I am. So we hear the time. And again, it pushed through the enter with T command once I pressed the spacebar. There's one other unique circumstance here, and that is what if I just want to push space, right? I would hit the space bar twice. So if I want to move down this menu, I could always use my next thumb key, but if I'm in a document and I want to type a space, I'm going to press the space bar 2 times. Space.
Planner. Key plan.
Planner, again, space, space again.
File manager. Key files.
Key pressed. So again, when we enter text, when we enter letters, we end with the space bar to put those letters or in and have them input. The final circumstance here is, what if our command contains the space bar? So what if I want to go to the options menu? And the command to do that is space with O. In that case, we need to begin our command with the space bar. So if you're hitting a command that involves the space bar, such as space with O or space with dot 1 or something like that, you need to begin your command with the space bar. So I'm going to enter the options menu. So I press space and then dots 1, 3, 5 in any order or simultaneously, doesn't matter, and then space again.
Options menu. Configure language profiles.
And again, I'm brought right to the options menu. So again, it's very straightforward. We're glad that it's here, and we want everyone to be able to use our devices. So please, if you are someone who's looking to work with one-handed mode, know that it's available, and this short video was designed to show you how to use it. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful, awesome day.